thought our generation had put this to rest, and it's rearing its ugly head.
At the Act to End Racism rally here in D.C., people from all over the country of all different faiths are coming together to say they want to change, and they want it now.
I'm angry about it. I am angry about it. So I'm here to try to make my little tiny bit of difference.
We are talking about truth-telling, we're talking about confrontation and repentance, these big words, but they all lead to transformation.
It seems like instead of it getting better, it's getting worse. Instead of it going forward, it's going backwards. And we need to come together.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to come out here, to see all kinds of faces, black, white, every other race.
How important is it for people of faith and faith leaders to lead on this issue?
I think it's extremely important because of our faith and because we know that this is not work we're doing alone, that it is important for us to be involved. Churches and congregations have been complicit in this. We've allowed it to continue. We haven't spoken truth about it, and so this is our opportunity.
Number one commandment we're given is to love God and love one another, and that's to love all equally and with dignity and respect. And so we have an obligation to care for one another.
That's what faith is all about. It's not one up or one over, it's all together.
I mean, when Jesus says, I love your neighbor as yourself, like he means it. And sometimes we just blow that commandment off. And so as a faith leader, I need to remind people that yes, these are our neighbors and you need to listen to their stories and understand their pain. And hopefully that can change them.
If we don't lead it, then who's going to lead?
We are the salt of the earth, so we give it its flavor. You know, we are the light, so we have to shine where there is darkness so that we can do away with any wrongdoing that's out there.
I don't believe racism is going to end as long as human beings exist. But every question is here for each generation to find its own answer. So racism is here now in this new form so that these young people can find their answer.